Don't know if you can quite see. It's slowly lighting up with lightning. Let's wait and see if we can get some nice arches. I saw one a second ago.
The storm will cool us off. Yeah, it's kind of nice. Yeah, it looks pretty nasty out there. Bring our chairs out here.
Until it starts pissing down.
Make sure there's no froggies in our boat.
No, yeah, I checked that shit already. Oh, there was a marshmallow. You missed one before though. It was crazy. You could see the bolt in the air. Up in there. Come on.
Probably have to move our chairs in. Should have candles and flashlights ready.
We don't need that shit. We got a generator, homie.
Just plug the candle maker into the generator.
The candle maker?
Joking. You gotta plug something into the generator.
Okay. Okay, you don't know. You just plug a light into the generator.